Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
It's weird. I don't want to film this video. Come on. I'm trying to motivate myself, you know. Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna react to the official trailer of The Expanse Season 6. I didn't react to the teaser. I told you that a trailer was gonna come. I told you guys. I know this show. I know how they are working. I know that they were not gonna make only that little thing, you know. I'm into a weird mood, really. The trailer is out since yesterday night, and I couldn't film because I needed some light, so I had to wait for this morning to film my reaction video about it. And you know, when it was out, I was really excited about it, and I was really frustrated that I couldn't film. Now that I can film, I have trouble to be like, okay, we're going. I know why, because I know myself. And I think that you can understand also why. This is the last season of The Expanse. The season 6 is gonna be the last and final season of The Expanse. I knew that this show was gonna end with this season 6. You guys, you warned me since the beginning of my binge watching of The Expanse. You guys, you were there since the beginning, and you told me, like, with the books, I think that we're gonna have 5, 6, maybe 7, but normally 6 seasons. You knew it. You told me so. You warned me. But you were there also for my binge watching of the 3 first seasons on my own. And after that, when the season 4 and the season 5 were out, so you were there to see me falling in love with this show, with these characters. You saw me falling in love so much with this show that I ended, you know, at the Comic-Con Paris just to see the first episode of the season 4, to meet some members of the casting and to have such a good time with it. You were there for the 2 last seasons that we lived together, really, and you can imagine my emotion right now when the season 6, the last season, is gonna begin, so my journey with this show is gonna end. It represents so much for me, this show, not only because I love it, but also because I discovered that community, the Screaming Fire Hawks, and and you were so welcoming with me, so nice, and I met also so many of you because of it. I mean, we didn't met face to face, but online. And I know that after that you stayed there on my channel, and I recognize you. I know that you are some of the most actives on my channel. I know you guys. It means a lot. That show means a lot for my channel. I have 2 shows like that on my channel. I had Vikings, because I began my channel with Vikings videos, and I have, and soon I'm gonna be forced to say I had, The Expanse, because I felt that my channel was growing and was going on the right direction by building, you know, a community with it, with The Expanse. I mean, I'm still a little reactor. I'm not making a lot of views on my channel, but it's not what is making me proud, you know, with my channel, the number of views. It's really the community that little by little I built with it and with you guys, because I know that on the comments I'm gonna find people who are nice, who are welcoming with me, but also with new people on it, who are talking with each other about their series, about their reactions, about their emotions, about their thoughts about a show, and I love that a lot, and yes, it's making me emotional. I need to stop this intro to make it short. Okay. I'm gonna keep my series for the review of the trailer, so this intro is not gonna be too long. I'm gonna watch this trailer once, and I think that after that, because of how long it is, I'm gonna watch it another time with break, you know. After that, we're gonna talk about this season 6 and what we can expect about it because of my series, but also because of new series that maybe this trailer is gonna give me. That's it. But just in intro, I needed to talk about that mood that I have right now that maybe you can find weird. It's like that, guys. It's like that. Let's go for this trailer. I'm stressed, I'm melancholic. I have a lot of emotions that are not really good to begin this trailer. I should be more excited. I was yesterday, but I couldn't watch it. It's recording, it's on place. The trailer, full screen. I'm gonna drink a little. I feel like I can cry at any second just because of how melancholic I am, which is a nonsense term because we didn't even begin the season. Oh, excitement! Let's go!
We're wounded. Broken. Trying desperately to keep ourselves going by pretending we're not.
Poor Atlanta. Doesn't know she'll get her food and water. Welcome to the bill.
Cities will be the capital city of our Belter nation. A place all Belters and forever call home!
I just received word that we located an RSS ship.
You have something in mind?
I do.
Always.
Permission to come aboard?
What's going on?
The old lady believes the Rossi is the beast of this operation.
Are you getting paid extra for this?
There's a war on.
Captain Drummer, we once Golden Bow. Now we fight with you.
Oh, Trevor.
I'm ready for a fight.
A war will come soon enough. Let them come. I'll be ready.
Oh, shit.
Motherlode.
Jafar, he's better with you at his side. I tried to save Philip, and I failed. Firing one! In the end, the only thing that matters is fighting for who's covering your back.
I want the world to see what it's doing to us. I want them to see the lives we've lost, the pain we've suffered.
You are so
I
bad.
never loved you because you were fighters. I loved you because you were builders. We need something to give us a reason
To fight.
to hope.
Who's there? I knew I was gonna cry. I said in the intro, give me 1 second and I'm gonna cry. Ta mère! Ta mère! Pute de borgne! Ta mère! I have just right there one of my tears on my couch. I'm not okay. but it's a nervous breakdown. I thought, you know, that this trailer would be like, let's go for the war, we're preparing for the war. I was wrong. They are already at war. Of course, that you know, the last season, it was already the beginning of the war. Right there, we are suffering the consequences of the war. They are losing people, they are trying new stuff, they are fighting. It's really the consequences of the war that we are seeing right there. I'm sorry, I'm blocked, you know, on the end of the trailer. I said fight, she said up. It's right there. That moment, that... oh, it's right there. I'm gonna come back, you know, to the trailer. I'm gonna make breaks. We're gonna try to analyze it. But that moment is really right there. Because really for me the trailer was for the fight, to talk about the fight, to talk about the war. So at the end, when Chris Ryan is saying that sentence, I want to end it with the word fight, and she's ending it by the word up, which means so much, you know, that we're finishing the trailer with the word up. It's so meaningful, you know, for me. It means that something is gonna happen which is gonna give up to everyone, not only to the inners, you know, to everyone. I was gonna say break the war, not end the war. It's weird, no? My first intention was to say break the war and not end the war. Like, the war can't end. All of these people, they suffered so much. Like during the trailer, I also said, you all suffered so much. You both sides. Maybe it can't end, but it can be broken by something else, by something coming from another place. Like this thing that we're seeing at the end. I don't know why, really, I wanted to say break and not end. Okay, let's go to rewatch it with breaks. Aren't you beautiful, girls?
Okay.
I think that Drummer is gonna break my heart during all of the season. It's okay for you? She lost so much, so many people. She had to make so many rough decisions. I have the emotion to be in front of someone who has nothing to lose anymore, and who is so broken and who is so devastated inside but so rough outside, you know, so savage. We're gonna be okay, Drummer. Oh, of course we're gonna have people who are gonna die during this season. It's The Expanse, it's the final season. People are gonna die. Not even a question. I would put Drummer on my suspect list for people who are gonna die. It's killing me, but you know, her past and also her future, her potential future. I don't want that, my dear. You know how much I love you, and again, you're gonna destroy me during this season. I can feel it. Oh, I'm doing that! Like, I mean, only 5 seconds. If I'm doing that during all of the trailer, it's gonna last for a long time. I need to shut up.
Trying desperately to keep ourselves going, but
These two ships, you know, relationships. I'm not sure of a love one between you two, but I love it so much.
by pretending.
Cute. You're gonna continue to attack with asteroids, with stuff like that. All over the world, including cities. Oh, the sound. It's gonna create panic, it's gonna create... I didn't think of that. How people are gonna react. All of these planets, they're gonna have to deal also with it. You're good looking, I have to give that to you, Marco. But what you're doing? I said it during the last seasons. Some things that he's saying sometimes, you know, when he's defending the Belters, when he's talking about the past, you know, what happened and how people treated the Belters, I'm forced to admit that some things that he's saying are right. But all of what he wants to do all of the meanings that he wants to use, all of the conclusions that he has for resolving the situation and for doing things, I'm against it. Okay? Philippe, can you... We're on serious? No more ghost. Philippe, I still have hope, Philippe, for you. Because of Naomi, not because of what you did.
You have something in mind?
I do.
Always! You have a plan. You have a plan that you can do with the Rossi crew, of course, who are gonna be reunited. I wanted that during all of the last season for you guys to be reunited. Finally, you're gonna be, and Draper is gonna join you for one of Chris Ren's mission idea. I love the idea. So, excitement is coming. What do you have into that, Draper? What is that? I think that what is happening right there inside is important. I said what I said also during the last season. We forgot the proto-molecule and all of that, what was happening. They were focused on this war, they were focused on humans fighting against humans. We forgot. It's bad. It's really a bad idea to forget about the proto-molecule civilization, about all of what is happening right there. It's bad. But this season is not giving me the impression that it's that bad. I don't know. I'm not gonna try to search, I don't know.
What's going on?
Tell me that you're happy to see her.
The old lady believes the Rossi is the big...
The old lady. The fact that you're saying the old lady.
best option for this operation.
Naomi.
Are you getting paid extra for this?
You're gonna do it, Amos, even without being paid. You know why? Because of that guy.
There's a war on.
Captain Drummer,
Are you sure?
now we fight with you.
You're gonna have a new team, you're gonna have a new family to protect, you're gonna have new people that you're gonna be afraid to lose. I can live with that, I can live with that, because these people can also protect you. It was Philippe in front of you? Right there it's huge, you know, but... You're Marco's boy.
I'm ready for a fight.
You look great, you. Ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, not someone that we know and that we love. Show... Ah, ta mère! Show your face. It seems to be a guy with a mustache. It was you, Alden. Alden, you killed someone with Amos. Line detected, Rossi, that blue dragon. Informations? You're there to have informations? The Earth, okay. Why are you looking at the Earth right there, like that? The Earth is right there. It's far from the Earth and it's green. A lot. It's not planets. It's asteroids. They are coming for the Earth. See, they are looking back at it like, and right there it's red stuff, green stuff, red stuff. We're talking about what? I think that it's related to the proto, for sure. Why do I think that it's not that bad? I can't understand.
I tried to save Philip, and I failed.
You didn't! You're not.
In the end, the only thing that matters is fighting for who's covering your back.
Your back, covering your back, you two. This is a family. They're gonna fight together.
I wanted to see the lives we've lost. The pain.
You all lost people. You all lost people. And you're showing us that thing to remind us that Alex is dead. Only Alex. None of the other three are gonna die. Draper.
To give us a reason.
the last reason to have hope. You're gonna kill me with that sentence, Chris Ren. And I think that the writers, they made it on purpose. The fact that I want to say to fight, and she's saying to hope. And I think that also that picture is important, because we're seeing different planets like that. Oh, I forgot! I'm sorry, I was gonna make the review. No, we have another scene at the end.
Who's there?
An alien form. On which planet? On Earth? On Mars? Not on Mars, with all of these luxury green things around it. It has to be on Earth. On a new planet that we're gonna discover, and you're in fact the girl that we're gonna have after a time jump, and in fact you're Alden's daughter, Alden and Naomi's daughter. Join me in my fairy tale. Really, we are living good days, better days than them. Is it rocks or is it runes? You know, like her jacket. It looks like the jacket of someone who worked on a ship. Are you crying? People are gonna die. They are showing us on purpose, you know, that this war, we are in the middle of this war. We have attacks, we have battles, we have asteroids, you know, attacking planets, but we have also ships attacking each other. It's really to show us that during this season people are gonna die. But I think also that some of our people are gonna die. Dreamer, she's on a mission with new people. I think that she wants to fight directly Marco. She wants to be at war directly with Marco. She has a revenge, you know, to have. Draper with all of the Rossi crew. They are on a mission that Chris Ren thought of. And this last mission, final mission, is representing hope for everyone. And I really mean everyone. All of them. I'm voting for a new planet. I'm voting for... I don't know if these things, you know, that Alden and Amos saw during that moment were meant to attack us, or can be a solution. Even if, you know, I can't consider that scene, I have to think that that final mission to bring us up, that the Rossi is doing, because you trust them that much, Chris Ren, they're gonna... It has to be a major reveal. It has to be something that none of you is suspecting. I want to say a new planet to live on, but at the same time we discovered new planets to live on, and okay, they are rough and stuff, but we saw what happened into them. That was not good. You know, the season 4, I'm not ready to forget it. And we discover a better one. No, that can't be the solution. That alien form at the end, I have no guess for... Where are you coming from? Are you nice or are you bad? You looked nice, but we know that appearances... We have to be careful. It's a mystery, really, that final season. I mean, the big things about it and the big things for the characters, what are gonna be their missions, what are gonna be their actions, where we're gonna find them and with who. I think that we have that. But the purpose of the writers behind that, what they want their characters to do and where they want their characters to end, that's something else. That's something that I don't know. And that I can't guess with this trailer. Which is great, because for a final season I don't want to have big spoilers, you know, I don't want to have the big reveal of what this up is gonna be. I'm glad that they are keeping that as a secret. I'm frustrated a little by it, but in fact I'm glad. I have so many questions. Is it surprising you? Is it surprising you that I cried? Really? I'm trying to come back to the trailer, to moments into it and all, and to be like, okay, what is the main thing about the trailer? What is the main message of the trailer? And for me, the main message of the trailer, it's Chris Evans' voice with images of war, consequences of the war, people dying, and her, she's talking about hope, keeping hope, finding a reason to have hope for everyone. I think for me the main message of this trailer is that people are gonna fight. This war is happening right now. They are fighting, they are dying. We're gonna lose people because of that war between humans. But the hope for everyone right there is somewhere else, is something else. And it's the Rossi crew with Draper and Chris Evans who are gonna find it. For me, that's the main message of this trailer. Tell me if you saw something else during this trailer, if you already read the books. You know the rule, don't tell me your guess, because of course you know the truth, you know what is gonna happen. I will see you for this season 6. Oh, how it's gonna work. Okay. How it's gonna work. For The Expanse, everyone is gonna have the episodes on Mondays. Yes, so I have the weekend to work on it. On Patreon, you're gonna have them at the beginning of the day. On YouTube, you're gonna have them at the end of the day. On Patreon, extended or full action part, final season, big episodes, a lot of actions. I prefer to tell you that if you want to subscribe to my Patreon only for The Expanse, it's better to go directly to the level 3, you know, for the full reaction parts. And we're gonna say goodbye to The Expanse on the 17th of January on my channel, and I will organize, you know, a live session maybe on the 18th, I think, something like that, to talk about it on my Patreon, to share our emotions together. I need to end this video, which is really too long for a trailer reaction, but you know me, you know The Expanse and how long this trailer was, you know my love for The Expanse, you know that Screaming Fireworks, we are passionate about this show, so we can talk about it for hours, me, for days. Okay, so I will see you for this season 6, the last season, with tissues. And that's it. Come on guys, let's be excited about that final season. Let's not be melancholic too soon. That's gonna be rough, but we can do it. I can do it? That's another question. Stop. It's all for you and for me for today, so it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me you built a time machine?
Hey.